Meet Jake. He is a hardworking employee and part of an exciting growing team. Jake loves his job and wishes his hard work would get noticed more often. His manager does recognize him occasionally, but those times are very few and far between. Sound familiar? 68% of workers say they feel unappreciated and unrecognized at work. Meet Jane. She's a new HR manager that understands the value of employee recognition. She sets out to find a recognition solution that is flexible, easy to use, and automated. Jane decides to implement Assembly, a platform where recognizing each other, giving out rewards for a job well done, and nominating peers is seamless and fun. Jake and other employees quickly grew fond of Assembly and the easy steps they need to take to show appreciation for one another. Jane can track recognition and engagement over time, while employees are recognized and rewarded for what they do, all powered by Assembly. In addition to recognition, Assembly brings teams, tasks, and conversations together to improve productivity, engagement, performance management, and more, so you can focus your time on what matters most.